welcome back to C is for Cookie cookie series. And Polar Bear's back with us today.
Hi everybody, I'm back.
And if you don't know me, I'm Miss Allison. I'm a children's librarian here at the library.
And I don't work there, I just show up sometimes and eat stuff.
Polar Bear's always showing up. So today we're going to be making bears sleeping in beds.
Ooh.
Out of cookies. What do you think, Polar Bear?
That sounds great. I'd love to go to bed and just sleep, hibernate.
Not quite time yet for that. Pretty soon though. So what you're going to need for this recipe is you're going to need some cookies. These are the Biscott Cookies. This is what they look like. This is what the package looks like, so you can find that in the store. And you're going to need some Teddy Grahams. We all know what Teddy Grahams are. Kind of like your cousin.
Oh yeah,
but
definitely.
But a cookie variety, Polar Bear.
Cousin George.
And then you're going to need some different types of chocolate. Like you can use melting chocolate melts and white chocolate and just regular milk chocolate. Can you see him? He's sleeping in bed.
That's
oh my
cute.
goodness. So that's that one. And this one's the shorter bed.
It's like a sleeping bag.
It looks cuter in person, actually. I'm sorry. All right, so what I did is I prepped some things. I had to melt the chocolate in the microwave, and it takes 30 seconds, and then you mix it up a little bit, and then it takes another 30 seconds, and you mix it up a little bit, and it has to be just melted perfectly. And I pre-dipped some of these in the chocolate already. So I used the candy melts for the pink candy melts.
I like the sprinkles. They're
nice. I forgot about the sprinkles. And I have a little thing of sprinkles that I put on the chocolate so it would look like a pillow, like a pillow pattern, as you can see. So the next step is to...
My pillow doesn't have that on it.
You're not fancy, Polar Bear.
No, it has a lot of drool.
Okay, so I'm going to come up close here. I have my chocolate melted. I have milk chocolate, and I took chocolate chips and I melted it. And what I'm going to do is basically make a mess. I'm going to dip him in the chocolate. I'm going to hold on to him with my thumb.
Don't drop him in there.
I'm going to try not to.
It'd be like Willy Wonka's.
I might drop him, and it would be tasting so good. So it's just going to kind of dip in.
Oh yeah, take a
see
bath.
If he goes.
A little dunk.
And he looks like he's under a chocolate blanket. Imagine that.
So cool.
And this would be really good for like a baby shower or for a sleepover. Now you can't really see it, but look, take a look.
That is so cute.
Little bear.
It's like my nephew when he comes over, sleeps over.
So you can do a couple different combinations. I chose chocolate for that one. You can also take, let's see, what could you take? You can take some strawberry and you can work it with the white chocolate, as you can see. And I'll do the same treatment. You're gonna get a strawberry bath over here, Mr. Teddy Graham.
Nice, I'd love a strawberry bath.
So I'm just gonna kind of drape. You can also kind of like spread it over it to get that effect. And I will have directions on how to do this along with this video, so
you'll get creative with that, huh?
You can, yeah. I'll have all the ingredients you need too. So he's in a strawberry bed. He needs a little bit more covering.
I suppose I'm not very good with fancy stuff, but if you were having a boy, girl, you could just dunk it in different colors.
You could try blue for a boy if you're having a baby shower.
Yeah.
Or you could go neutral and do like a green if you didn't know what the baby's gonna be.
Or yellow.
Or yellow.
Or purple.
Or purple, yeah.
So,
or gray. No gray.
So everybody could kind of just color their own sleeping bag.
Yeah, that'd be kind of fun. So let's try one more, and then we're gonna let these dry, and then we'll come back to see how they turned out.
Oh, great, good.
Okay. I'm gonna do a strawberry pillowcase and some white chocolate. Now to keep the chocolate melted, I had it in a little tray with warm water so it wouldn't get hard on me. Was that smart of me?
Yeah, I almost took a bath in that water because it looked really comfy. It was nice and warm.
So I'm just going to dip these guys in, and we are going to let them cool down, come back, and see how they turned out.
Very cute.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
We'll be back.
We'll be back in a bit. Hi, we're back. We have our bears in bed.
Yay.
And guess what we made, Polar Bear?
What?
We made 10 in a bed.
How did you fit them all?
I just thought I had graham crackers in the fridge, and I thought, wouldn't it be cute if we fit 10 Teddy Grahams on the bed and made 10 in the bed? Check it out.
Well, that's so cute.
So you could use this as your centerpiece. You see this? And then you could display an assortment of teddy bears sleeping. Now, Polar Bear did this one. It's actually melting in my hands right now.
That was a pretty good job, huh?
It was a pretty good job. Good job, Polar Bear. You know what? Three in a bed.
Yeah.
So cute. And then, let's pick up this one. And there's a little pink one. And he has a little pillowcase. That one's really thick. I don't know what happened.
Chocolate.
Oh, and here's a variation. We took 2 and put it in the bed and put a cookie on top and then use that as the covers.
That's cute.
So you can do a lot with this.
Yeah.
But I think the best thing to do is, if you really want to make it proportion-wise, is to cut your cookie, the bottom cookie, into 2/3 of the size that it would normally be. Because they're really long, and if you're going to use that type of cookie, it's going to be a little bit long for the teddy bear. It's going to look like a long twin-size bed when it should be a little bit shorter because the bears are short.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I need a napkin.
Oh.
I have chocolate fingers. Oh my goodness.
I probably have chocolate paws.
You think you do?
Probably.
That's one of the hazards of this project. If you're going to have the kids help you, make sure you have lots of handy wipes nearby, or fresh water to wash their hands, because it's kind of messy, honestly.
It is.
And we let these sit for about 10 minutes to dry in the fridge. We put them in the fridge to cool off, to get hard.
Yeah.
So if you have any questions, you can always call the library and ask for Miss Allison or Polar Bear.
Polar Bear would be happy to help.
And we'll give you some pointers on how to make these adorable bears in bed.
It's very cute.
I think this would be really fun. If you did like a nighttime party or something about
Having a big sleepover.
a sleepover, perfect.
Popcorn.
And yeah, you could have a whole group do these. Older kids would be definitely into doing this.
Yeah.
Okay, friends, thanks so much for joining us for C is for Cookie Month, and we're so glad you came. I think we're going to be doing some fall baking recipes next time around.
Almost time for hibernation.
Oh, almost time for hibernation. Do polar bears hibernate?
I don't know. Maybe I will this year, maybe not.
You're going to join me back here, so maybe you'll just hibernate at the library.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, thank you, friends. Thanks so much for coming, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.